Crafty Kittens, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be opening up a Pretty Girls doll. Valencia is from Mexico City, Mexico. Her favorite childhood memory, swimming in the summer and cooking. She's amazing at softball. She's a lefty and a home run queen. She loves to work out and write in her journal, and she's pretty because she's a great role model. Now let's use our magic wand to open her up. Wow, now that she's open, we can take a closer look. This doll is very cute and sporty. She has 2 pigtails, some really cute green studs, very light makeup, and a super cute outfit. That includes a jacket, a top, and khaki shorts. She also has a bracelet and a pink purse to match her pink shoes. The best part is that she's articulated in her elbows and knees, making it easy to pose her. Another really cool feature about this doll is she has movement in her waist, making it easy for her to move from side to side. This doll is really cute, and I was even able to balance her with a little help from a prop. Well, that's about it for today's unboxing, but I would highly recommend getting this doll. Not only is she very beautiful, but she is very good quality. Also guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.